We're here at the Kentucky Lakes, chilling over here at the Kentucky Lakes today. Pretty nice out. We got a nice shady spot here. So, yeah. Here's my puppy dog. She's just loving it. Yeah, pretty nice out. Check out all these birds out there. Storm rolling in. Check that out. Armadillo. It's pretty cool. Another armadillo. You see that face in there? They're in the middle of the moon. So, all that so-called cloud cover up there, so-called, is from chemtrails. All that's from chemtrails. You can kind of see how it's fanned out, turned into that, but I can see like a rainbow smudge over there. But yeah, all that's from chemtrails. Evil. Tell you, when you know the truth, guys, and you elevate your consciousness, you're not going to fit in with this fucked up society. You're not going to fit in with society. You will not fit in. You see the world for what it is, you won't fit in. So, I got my air conditioner fixed, finally, on my car. It was several different things. I finally fixed it. Just did it myself. Not a big deal. But anyway, right now my dog and I are sitting enjoying the air conditioner. She's loving it. We're out camping and eating a can of corn. I'm sharing it with my dog. I put some originally in her food bowl, mixed it with her food, but I was like, she don't like that. She just likes just the corn, so I put it in her water bowl and she ate every bit of it. Now she's going back to the corn in her water bowl, her food bowl. So I'm gonna put some more corn in here for her because she likes just corn by itself. You can eat good fruits and vegetables. My dog loves apples, you know, fresh cut apples, organic apples. She loves them. I encounter a lot of people each and every day. You know, I encounter all kinds of different people, and I see the good within a lot of people. I really do. It's just that they don't realize just how fucked up the system has turned them. You know what I'm saying? They don't realize anything on how the system actually works. They don't realize that they're a damn pawn bought for the system. They think living life is slaving in the system for money. They just call it work, but it's not work, it's modern day slavery. The masses, they just way too damn indoctrinated. They've been way too damn programmed. They're just fucking, they're Agent Smiths, like in the movie The Matrix. They're literally Agent Smiths, these sheeple-bots are. These people that have been so indoctrinated by the system, you can't speak truth to them. You know what I'm saying? You can't. Because they just can't handle it. They can't handle the truth. They're too ignorant. The whole system is designed to keep people at a low vibrational level, at a dumbed down, ignorant level. That's why they just want people to be obedient workers. And that's it, to slave for money. That's it, that's their purpose. And in sheeple's minds, that's what they think their purpose is slaving for a living, like slaving and paying taxes. They think that is life. They don't realize just how fucked up the system is. They don't realize just how programmed they are. Like 97% of people are working low vibrational positions. They're in low vibrational slave positions. That's what the system, the elite, want people to be. They want them to be distracted on shit that doesn't fucking matter, you know? And if you take a big step back and look at it, the masses are really big time distracted. Big time distracted. And it's so obvious to me that they've been dumbing down the population. They've been dumbing down the people for a very long time, which is why they got these sellout puppets in all different kinds of positions, celebrities, politicians, CEOs of big companies, you know. They got all these sellouts in all these different kinds of positions to deceive the people, to keep them distracted, and to keep them dumbed down. So that's why you gotta you got to be cautious on like what you focus on. You know what I mean? Television is garbage, and it's almost like, and there's like a TV in almost everybody's home. It's been done that way by design. Sheeplebots, they just see what's at the surface, like, oh, it's just entertainment. No. Everything in the fucking system is being used in a sinister way that sheeplebots cannot see or fathom because they just don't seek truth. They can't see it from the real perspective. They see it from the false perspective, how the elite want them to see the system. They're deceived as fuck and always will be. And then of course, you got a fucking fresh chemtrail right above us getting sprayed. Look at them go. Fuckers. Gotta make that money, huh? Even though you're fucking poisoning everybody.